Welcome to this beginner tutorial on how to create an account with ChatGPT. Pause the video when you need to follow along with me and let's jump right into it. First you go to chat.openai.com and then you'll get to this login page. I'll also leave a link to that in the description. Now you can log in or sign up, and of course we want to sign up now. If you click on it, you get to this page where you can create your account. Now you can sign up with a Google or with a Microsoft account, but let's type in a new email address and make a new account. If you click continue, you will get here where you can set your password. Now let's do that real quick. Alright, and once your password is set, you click continue as well, and you'll get to this next page. And here he'll tell you that you need to verify your email that you just signed up with. So let's go to the email right now. Alright, here we are. Now you of course just click on verify email address, and when you've done that you will be automatically forwarded to this page. And here you just set your name when you log in for the first time. And after you've done that, one last step is to make a two-step verification with your phone number. So you just type in your phone number, then you'll get sent a code that you can verify with. You just click on send code, of course. And then you enter the code, and then after that you'll finally be in ChatGPT and ready to ask your first question. Alright, and here we are. Now here on top you see a few things that you can read through, and we'll have a more in-depth look at them in the next video. Make sure to create your account before you move on to the next video of this beginner's tutorial, because you're going to need it when we look at the interface of ChatGPT right over here.